this is where I like to look at gold, which has been absolutely tearing up new all-time highs pretty much constantly throughout 2025. And what we can do is if we just turn on gold with a 70-day offset, we can once again see an incredibly strong correlation between the Bitcoin price action and gold. Now, of course, Bitcoin has had this narrative of being a digital gold, a hedge against inflation for a number of years now, but we can see a 92.41% correlation with that 70-day offset, higher than that of the global M2 or global liquidity supply, gives us some indication of potentially what the Bitcoin price action could do next. Now, again, we can look at this on a year-on-year basis. It will slightly diminish that correlation percentage, but we can see just looking at the price action here, it is mimicking this very nicely. But what we can do is take this a step further. So I'll remove the year-on-year. We want to be as high in correlation percentage as possible. Now, rather than applying a 10-week delay, if we just apply 40 days, somewhere between 5 and 6 weeks, we can see it is only marginal, but the correlation percentage actually increases between gold with a 40-day offset throughout this Bitcoin cycle and the current price action. Now, what we can see is if I just zoom in here and look at the Bitcoin price action over the past few weeks, it's coincided very nicely. We can see as gold was making new all-time highs, Bitcoin was doing the same. And over the past few months, as we've been chopping and consolidating, going sideways, this is aligned perfectly with the gold chart almost on a day-by-day basis. Now, if we are to continue following this chart, then we could be on the cusp of a major move in the Bitcoin price action.